Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making eggless choco almond pastry. So for this, first we have to make eggless chocolate cake. So I am using approximately 100 grams of condensed milk and I am adding 50 grams of butter. Mix it well. So butter is completely dissolved with condensed milk. Mix it for 5 to 6 minutes. Now add 4 to 5 drops of vanilla essence. Mix it again. Now take 125 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and strain them all together. So all these dry ingredients mix well. Now add dry ingredient into wet ingredient. Add little cola. You can use any company's cola, any kind of cola, and mix them. Now our batter is smooth. So take a cake mold, grease it, put some dry flour and add our batter. Tap it and put it into preheated oven on 180 degree and your cake is ready. Now cut the cake to make pastry. Very finely chopped roasted almond. Now divide cake into two. Apply very finely chopped roasted almond. Now cover it completely with ganache. Now cover it with rest of finely chopped roasted almonds. And your eggless choco almond pastry is ready. Thank you.